students, welcome to Adas Vidyalaya Max online class. Today topic set language. We'll continue the chapter. Example 1.5 question is, are A equal to set of x such that x belongs to n, comma 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8, and B equal to set of 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is equal set. Solution. First we will explain the set A. What are the elements of set A? X belongs to n. N means natural numbers. Very good. Next explain 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. Therefore 4 natural number continue 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is set A. And also given that B equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore here n of A equal to 5, n of B also 5, and number of elements are equal. Here also A and B 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Therefore both n of A equal to n of B equal to 5 and also elements are equal. Therefore A and B are equal set. Can you understand? Okay. Example 1.6. Insert the appropriate symbol subset or not subset. That symbol subset or not subset in each blank to make a true statement. We have two questions. The first one is set of 10, 20, 30 dash set of 10, 20, 30, 40. And second one, set of P, Q, R dash set of W, X, Y, Z. First one solution. Set of 10, 20, 30 dash set of 10, 20, 30, 40. Since every element of 10, 20, 30 is an also element of 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Students, see the first set and second set. 10, 20, 30 also elements of second set. Therefore we get 10, 20, 30 is subset of 10, 20, 30, 40. Second one, set of P, Q, R dash set of W, X, Y, Z. Since the element P belongs to P, Q, R but does not belongs to W, X, Y, Z. Q also belongs to P, Q, R, does not belongs to second set. And last one R also belongs to first set, not belongs to second set. Therefore P, Q, R does not belongs to W, X, Y, Z. Therefore P, Q, R is not a subset of W, X, Y, Z. Can you understand? Okay. Example 1.7. Write all the subset of A equal to set of A, B. What is the question? Write the all subsets. Solution. Given set A equal to A, B, we have only two elements. The subsets are, first we write empty set. Second one, write one by one. We have two elements. First A, set of A. Second one, set of B. And we write both. Therefore A, B. Therefore subsets of A are pi, set of A, set of B and set of A, B. Okay. Example 1.8. Verify whether A equal to 20, 22, 23, 24 and b equal to set of 25, 30, 40, 45 are disjoint sets. What is the meaning of disjoint sets? Good. That is, we have no elements. Solution: find A intersection B. Therefore, A intersection B equal to set of 20, 22, 23, 24 intersection 25, 30, 40, 45. What is the meaning of intersection? That is the both set we have common elements, that is called intersection. Anyone common elements? 20, no. 22, no. 23, no. 24, no. Therefore, no common elements, that is equal to empty set. Since A intersection B equal to empty, therefore A and B are disjoint sets. Can you understand? Okay. Example 1.9. Find the number of subsets and the number of proper subsets of a set X equal to A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Number of subset and number of proper subset we find out. We given value X equal to A, B, C, X, Y, Z. Solution: first we find the number of set. Therefore, given set X equal to A, B, C, X, Y, Z. How many elements of set X? Good. That is n of X equal to number of element n of X equal to 6. Now find first number of subset. The formula is n of P of A equal to 2 power m. The m is number of set X, that equal to 6. Now substitute 2 power 6, that equal to 2 power 6 means 2 into, to write 2 in 6 times. That is, we get answer is 64. Therefore, number of subset n of P of X equal to 64. Second question is, now find the number of proper subset. Therefore, number of proper subsets, that equal to n of P of X minus 1, that is a formula. So 2 power m minus 1, 2 power m, that is 2 power 6 minus 1, that equal to 2 power 6, 64 minus 1, that equal to 63. Can you understand? Okay. Next, exercise 1.2. First question. Find the cardinal number of the following sets. First one, m equal to set of P, Q, R, S, T, U. What is the question? Find the cardinal number. What is the meaning of cardinal number? That is number of set in a set, that is a cardinal number. Therefore, solution: here we have how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. Here we have 6 elements. Hence, n of m, that is cardinal number, n of m equal to 6. Okay. Second one, set P equal to set of x such that x equal to 3n plus 2, n belongs to w and x less than 15. Here given value is n is a, w means that is a whole number, x less than 15. Solution: since n belongs to whole number, we have to start with 0. By applying the value of n from 0 to 14, that is x less than 15 means that is up to 14, we get 15 different values from x. Hence n of P is 15. Okay. Third one, Q equal to set of y such that y equal to 4 by 3n, comma, n belongs to capital N and n 2 less than n less than or equal to 5. Here n is natural number, the nth number is 2 less than n less than or equal to 5. That means we get 3 comma 4 comma 5, that is a n value. Substitute n value. So listen, the value of n are 3 comma 4 comma 5. By applying the above three values for n, we get different value of y. Therefore, hence n of q is 3. Can you understand? Okay. Fourth one, r equal to set of x such that x is an integers, comma, x belongs to z and minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 5. That means we write minus 5 to 4 values. That is z means integers. Solution, here elements are, we write minus 5 to 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, because that is integers. Therefore, set of r equal to set bracket minus 5, comma minus 4, comma minus 3, comma minus 2, comma minus 1, comma 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. How many elements of the set are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, n of r equal to 10. Can you understand? Okay. Fifth question. S is the set of all leap years between 1882 and 1906. First we write the elements, leap year elements. 1000 the next number is divided by 4, that is leap year means the number is divisible by 4, that is a leap year. So 1883 is does not divisible by 4. The next number 1884, that is divisible by 4. Next we added 4 value. Second number 1888, third number 1892, fourth number 1896 plus 4 means. Next plus 4 means 1900. Next plus 4 means 1904. That is between 1882 and 1906. Therefore, we have 6 elements, but 1900 is not a leap year because that is a century years. Century year means we have 2 zeros in last 2 digit. 1900, 1800, 2000. That number is divisible by 4 and also divisible by 400. That is a leap year. Now 1900 is does not divisible by 400. Therefore, that is not a leap year. Only 5 years. 1884, 1888, 1892, 1896, 1904. Hence, n of s equal to 5. Any doubt? Okay. Second question, identify the following sets as finite or infinite. The first one, x equal to the set of all districts in Tamil Nadu. Solution. How many districts in Tamil Nadu? Good, that is 37. Therefore, that is countable. Districts in Tamil Nadu is countable. Hence, it is finite set. Can you understand? Okay. Second one, y equal to the set of all straight lines passing through a point. One straight line having so many points. So therefore, solution, we have draw an infinite number of lines throw a point, hence it is a infinite set. Third one, A equal to set of x such that x belongs to z and x less than 5. So z means that is integers. We have start with 0. Solution, z means integers. The elements of set A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is finite, hence set A is finite set. Fourth one, B equal to set of x such that x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, x belongs to natural number. N means natural number. Solution, we get the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Factorize the quadratic equation. We get the value x minus 2 into x minus 3, that equal to 0. We get x value 2 and x equal to 3. Now substitute x equal to 2 and 3, we get the equation is 0. Therefore 2 and 3 is a factor of the quadratic equation, that is finite set. Third question, which of the following sets are equivalent or unequal or equal sets? First one, A equal to the set of vowels in English alphabets, B equal to set of all letters in the word vowel. Solution, what is set A equal to vowels English alphabets, that is A, E, I, O, U, that is A vowels of English alphabets. B is given word of vowel, so V, O, W, E, L. So here n of A and n of B equal to 5, but different elements, hence A and B are equivalent sets. Second one, C equal to set of 2, 3, 4, 5. D equal to set bracket x such that x belongs to W, 1 less than x less than 5. Solution, set C equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and D equal to, we write the elements 2, 3, 4. Therefore D equal to 2, 3, 4. Here n of C equal to 4, n of D equal to 3. Therefore number of elements are not same and set D contain one lesser element than C, hence they are unequal sets. Number of elements are not equal, therefore that is unequal sets. Third one, x such that x is a letter in the word life, y equal to set of file. Solution, we write x set x equal to life L, I, F, E, split the values y and given y equal to file F, I, L, E. We have n of x equal to 4 and n of y equal to also 4 and the elements are same. In both sets we have same elements, hence they are equal sets. Can you understand? Unequal, equivalent sets and equal sets. Fourth one, G equal to x such that x is a prime number and 3 less than x less than 23. H equal to x such that x is a divisor of 18. Solution, now set G equal to prime numbers 3 less than 23, that is 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and n of G equal to 6. And second set H equal to divisor of 18, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, that is a divisor of 16. Here also n of H equal to 6. since the number of elements of both sets are same but different elements, therefore they are equivalent sets. Can you understand? Okay. Fourth question, identify the following sets as null set or singleton set. First one, a equal to x such that x belongs to n, comma 1 less than x less than 2. Solution, n is the natural number and it should be greater than 1 and lesser than 2. That is not possible. Since it is not possible, the set A will not contain any elements. Therefore, that is, any elements means, what is the type of set? Very good, null set. Therefore, it is null set. What is meaning of singleton set? Yes, it have one elements. Very good. Second one, B equal to the set of all even natural numbers which are not divisible by 2. Solution, even number means a number which is divisible by 2, but the set will contain the elements which are not divisible by 2. It is not possible because divisible by the even number is compulsory divisible by 2. The question is not divisible by 2 means that is not possible. Therefore, that's also what set? Null set or empty set. Third one, C equal to set of 0. Solution, the set C contains only one element. That element is 0. So what is the one element set type of sets? Very good. That is only one element, that is called singleton set. Hence it is singleton set. Fourth one, D equal to the set of all triangles having 4 sides. That is a question. Listen, students, how many sides of all triangles? Tell me. Triangles means that is 3 sides. Now here the question is having 4 sides. Therefore, solution is all triangles will have only 3 sides. Hence, therefore, no triangles, that is empty set. Hence, D is empty set. Can you understand? Okay. Now we'll see the sixth question. Fifth sum, it's your homework. Model of example 1.8, that is disjoint or overlapping set. Disjoint means that is no common element, that is called disjoint sets. Any common elements, that is a overlapping sets. So do the homework sums. Sixth one, if S equal to set of square, rectangle, circle, rhombus, triangle, list the elements of the following subsets of S. First one, the set of shapes which have 4 equal sides. Here, square, rectangle, rhombus, that is 4 sides. Which one of the equal sides? That is square and rhombus. Let A be the set. Solution, let A be the set which contain the shape of the 4 equal sides. We have 2 values, that is A equal to square and rhombus. Second question, the set of shapes which have no sides. Let B be the set which contain the shape which have no sides. Which one no sides? Very good. The circle is no sides. Therefore, B equal to circle. Set of circle. Third one, the set of shapes in which the sum of all interior angles is 180 degree. Solution, for any triangle, the sum of all interior angle is 180 degree. Hence, the triangle C is answer. C equal to triangle. Otherwise, the circle is 360 degree. The rectangle square rhombus, that is also 360 degree. Only triangle is 180 degree. Therefore C equal to set of triangle. Fourth one, the set of shapes which have 5 sides. Here no one have 5 sides. Solution, in the given set no shapes will contain 5 sides, hence it is a empty set. Can you understand? Okay, we will see on next class. Thank you.